Good morning, students. We are doing the third element of directing chapter, that is communication, and today we're going to just start with the significance or importance of communication. As we know, communication is very important from the point of view of business. Without communicating, and man being a social animal, without communicating he cannot survive in the society or with its family members. Okay, अगर आपको अपनी फीलिंग्स इमोशंस एक्सप्रेशंस को मेंशन करना होता है तो कम्युनिकेशन इज़ वेरी एसेंशियल. Now, if you want to run the business in effective manner, at that time, interacting with your superiors, with your subordinates, with your colleagues is very much important. So today we're going to discuss how communication is important for our organization. First one, gains commitment of employees to the organizational objectives. See, no, students in the organization, top level makes all the plans, policies, goals for the organization. Had it been without communicating, if they will remain with them only, they will not be actually implemented in the organization. So for making them actually implemented by the middle level, these all goals, policies, whatever which is being decided by the top level has to be communicated to the middle level in order to get into the implementation, which means that टॉप लेवल सारी गोल्स, पॉलिसीज़, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, स्ट्रैटेजीज बनाता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए. अगर वो चाहता है कि उसे एक्चुअली मिडिल लेवल इम्प्लीमेंट करे तो टॉप लेवल को उसे ये चीज़ कम्युनिकेट करनी पड़ेगी. अगर वो नहीं करेगा तो वो सिर्फ टॉप लेवल के साथ रह जाएगी और वो कभी भी इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं हो पाएगी. सो फॉर एक्चुअली गेनिंग द कमिटमेंट ओवर ऑल द policies, goals decided by the top level will require an effective communication in your organization. Now, next one is your provides data necessary for decision making. Now, with the help of effective communication between the lower level and the middle level, these lower level category of employees provides actual and necessary data which is required for making decisions in the organization. Okay, now had it been, if such communication is not there, they will, or top level will not be able to make the effective decision. Okay, suppose as a middle level we are sometimes asked by the office staff, madam इस स्टूडेंट का डेटा पूरा का पूरा देना, इसने क्वार्टरली में कैसा परफॉर्म किया, यहाँ पे हमें सारा डेटा मेंटेन करना पड़ता है. एंड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन वी हैव टू सबमिट दैट डेटा टू द ऑफिस स्टाफ सो दैट दे कैन टेक अ क्विक डिसीजन रिगार्डिंग दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टूडेंट. सो दिस इज हाउ अ कम्युनिकेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Next one, clarify task, responsibilities and authority position. Now, without communicating, we cannot just clarify the task of the employees, the responsibilities and the authority position. Had it been, if William sir will not going to communicate to me that Priyanka, you are being appointed as a PGT business studies, how can I take the responsibility of that particular position? So as and when it will be going to be communicated by sir, then only I will be taking the authority in that particular organization. Again, all the tasks and all the responsibilities are also required to be communicated in order to convert them into the action. Okay, मैं किसी बच्चे को बोलती हूँ कबर्ड में से कॉपी का बंडल लाओ, तो बच्चा लेके आता है. नहीं लेके आता है तो मैं उसको डांटती हूँ. लेकिन प्रोवाइडेड अगर मैं उसे कहूँ नहीं और डांटूँ तुम क्यों नहीं लाए, तो वो क्या बोलेगा, मैम आपने तो बोला ही नहीं था. सो एक्चुअली इन ऑर्डर टू क्लैरिफाई टास्क, responsibilities, our position and authority, communication is necessary. Next one is your facilitates coordination. Now, with the help of communication only, we can communicate with our upward superiors, with our downward subordinates, with the horizontal colleagues. Okay, with the communication only, we can have a coordination with all these kinds of levels in which we are existing. Okay, so communication also facilitates coordination in the organization. If I am actually communicating with that of Pal sir, Pushpendra sir in a smooth manner, in a congenial manner, at that time only there will be a coordination between three of us. If they are also just having concealing of information with themselves, I am also having concealing of information with myself, at that time there will be a communication gap which may cause several blunders. But with the help of effective communication between three of us as a commerce teacher, it will lead to a better coordination in learning a commerce classes. Okay. Next one, boosts morale and provides motivation. Okay. Sometimes William sir comes in our class to actually communicate to you when you are preparing for your board exam. Actually, when they are communicating, they boost up your morale. जनवरी में जब सर आते हैं, कभी आपके क्लासेस लेते हैं, एट दैट टाइम दे आर एक्चुअली कम्युनिकेटिंग वी टू यू इन ऑर्डर टू बूस्ट अप योर मोरल एंड जस्ट टू मोटिवेट यू. जिसने पढ़ाई नहीं की है वो भी अभी करना चालू कर दे, 2 महीने में भी बच्चा बहुत कुछ बेहतर कर सकता है. दिस ऑल थिंग्स आर बीइंग डन. Had it been if these all feelings, these all important motivation speeches, if remain with that of William Sir, it will not be able to motivate you. But if they are communicating with you, it will definitely going to make an impact upon those who actually want to work and want to score good marks. So sometimes communication also helps in boosting up of the morale and providing motivation to the employees. Next one, smooth working of organization. No doubt when there will be a proper two-way communication, that means sender sends the information, receiver receives the information, understand it in a proper manner and give feedback to that of the sender. At that time there will be smooth communication in the organization. As a sender, when I am sending you the information in the forms of course content of business studies, you are actually learning it, understanding it and giving me feedback. Yes ma'am, I am getting it understood, or in the forms of good marks. There will be a smooth conduct of classes in St. Anthony's for business studies. So this is how communication ensures smooth working of organization. Establishes effective leadership. Now with the help of effective communication, we can influence the behavior of subordinates at the workplace and thus helps in establishing effective leadership. अगर मैं अपने नीचे वाले लोगों को मतलब अपने सबॉर्डिनेट्स को कम्युनिकेशन से अच्छे से प्रभावित कर पाऊँ तो कहीं ना कहीं मैं एक अच्छी लीडर साबित हो सकती हूँ. दिस इज ऑल पॉसिबल विद द हेल्प ऑफ लीडरशिप. ओके, सपोज if you will take an example of Honorable Prime Minister Modi, how they are known as an effective leader, because every time by saying man ki baat and actually communicating with that of general public, they are establishing an effective leadership quality and we are actually obeying to them. Got my point? Next one, promotes cooperation and industrial peace. It's not place, it is peace. So actually with the help of proper communication in the organization, promote industrial peace and cooperation prevails. Okay, with the help of actually communication I can convince another person and who will going to cooperate with me. Actually when I enter into the class nobody wants to study, but with the communication when I'm actually convincing them, they cooperate with me, they study, and this is how class peace prevails. In the same manner with the help of organization also, or with the help of communication also, promotion and industrial peace prevails. Next one, managerial efficiency. With the help of effective communication in the organization, policies, objectives, targets, rules will be all clear to an employee, and this will going to improve the managerial efficiency and working efficiency of the organization. So today we'll have completed with that of importance of communication. In the next video we're going to catch with the last element of directing. Thank you so much.